36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Marlena E. Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there is no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, no wearing up any head garments except for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Judge, can I have one moment? I'm sorry, just
You
2
may.
minutes. Thank you.
That's fine. Everyone keep yourself on mute until I call your matter, please. Come through here.
Angela. Is that how she said it?
Oh, those folks smoke weed no more. They said it's
Put yourself on mute.
Sorry about that delay, Judge. I'm ready to roll whenever you guys are.
All right, cool. Thank you. Eric, right?
yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, Madam Court Reporter, you ready as well? Ms. Finch?
Sorry, I'm ready to do it.
Thank you so much. Now calling the matter of the people versus Aaron Wright. This is ticket U 66805-423. This is one count loitering on public private property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Clay Miller, P86291, here on behalf of Mr. Wright. Mr. Wright, can you please state your name for the record?
Eric Iran Wright.
Thank you. Your Honor, we're here for arraignment on the bench warrant today. We want to waive formal reading of the charges, stand mute, enter a plea of not guilty on my client's behalf at this time.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How do you wish to proceed today, counsel?
Your Honor, my client would like a bench trial date with you. I've explained his jury trial rights, and he'd like to waive those today and have a bench trial before you.
All right, I'll set this matter for a bench trial. Oh, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
yes.
All right, I'll set this for a bench trial on the date of September 17th. September 17th. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. And I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. You're all set, Mr. Wright.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. You weren't able to verify her, she didn't answer. Okay. Erica Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Erica Alicia Williams. This is ticket number SP 1332943. Count 2 is improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Clay Miller, PH 6291 here on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, can you please state your name for the record?
Erica Williams.
Your Honor, I believe we're here for an arraignment on this one. Is that right? It's not on the docket, or it's not on my docket.
Erica Williams. Yeah, they put her up under Sherman.
Yeah, but it's, so, okay. We'd waive formal reading the charges, stand mute, enter plea of not guilty.
All right, this time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I know you're asking for a bench trial, but she ended up paying the civil infraction on this ticket, disregard traffic control device, and that gave her some points on her license 2 years ago. Do you have a motion at this time?
I guess if that's the case, I would make a motion to dismiss if she's already taken the points and paid, if the court would be willing to do that for her.
I will. At this time, the court's gonna dismiss the other ticket, the improper place ticket without prejudice. Ma'am, you took care of the civil infraction ticket and it gave you some points on your license. So I'm gonna dismiss this improper plates ticket, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
You're
Judge.
welcome. All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
All right. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Natasha, Miss Williams. All right, I'll come back. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, terrible audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Terrible. Okay. Did you do the community service?
I'm sorry.
Did you do the community service?
Yes.
You don't have to go to a different place. I can't hear you. Oh, that's not gonna work. You gotta find someplace else to go.
Your Honor, yeah, she did, but she's gonna have to go somewhere else. But yeah, she told me she did. She said her the place she was doing the stuff sent it over to probation. But we're gonna have to wait.
Okay. All right, I'll verify that and figure it out. Okay. Jonathan Wells. All right, I have to be able to see you in the camera. Hello? And you have to sit up. Are you sitting up? All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jonathan Welch. This is ticket SP 1400968. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1253436. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1354178. Count one, pass on right. Count two, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1380655. Count one, open alcohol motor vehicle driver. Count two, disregard traffic control device. Count three, fail to use due care or caution. And ticket number SP 1380656, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Clay Miller, PA 6291 here on behalf of Mr. Welsh. Mr. Welsh, can you please state your name for the record?
Jonathan Well.
Your Honor, after discussing this matter with my client, we went through the offer. It's his intent to reject the offer at this time and set these matters for bench trials. He's willing to, and we discussed his jury trial rights too. He wants to waive those and have a bench trial with you.
Okay. I'm just seeing if he got appointed this attorney. All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, I'll set this matter for a bench trial on the date of September 17th, 2024 at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom. So you have some tickets that are in collections right now that you need to take care of, okay?
Okay. Are they different?
I mean, some older tickets, so it looks like they're from 2010. Failure to stop at a stop sign, no registration, no proof of insurance, improper plates. I don't know what FTSACD is. And an open alcohol passenger from, it looks like that might be 18, maybe 2018 or something like that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set.
All right. Appreciate it.
No problem. Bye-bye. Demetrius Washington.
Yes.
You turn on your camera. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Demetrius Washington Jr. This is ticket SP 1525158. Count one, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1316758. One count, drove. Driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Clay Miller here on behalf of Mr. Washington. Mr. Washington, can you please state your name for the record? Thank you. Your Honor, we're here for arraignment on the bench warrant today. I would waive formal reading of the charges, stand mute, enter plea of not guilty regarding the arraignment.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding in these matters?
There's a plea offer which my client would like to avail himself of today, Judge. It includes pleading to one count of failure to display, a reduction, and then a dismissal of the remaining tickets.
Okay. Out of the same transaction, he ended up getting a disregard signal, red or amber. I know it's not on my docket today, but it's still in default. How do you wish that I handle that? You want me to keep it in default? Or see if we can get some type of resolution on that other count?
Yeah, I would make a motion if we could set the default aside. And maybe Prosecutor Mason could make an offer on that if she'd be willing.
Okay. All right, Attorney Mason, if you get a moment, I have one extra ticket for Mr. Washington that I would like to see if we can at least not have all the points. He has a disregard signal, red or amber, that came with the same ticket he will be pleading to today.
Okay, he can, I got a due care, then we got the accident, we've got the left turn, then he's got disregard.
No. This is Demetrius Washington. It's just
Oh,
disregard
sorry.
signal, red or amber. And he had two driving while license suspended, driving license never acquired.
1 to 5 LA.
Okay. And that's no point, sir.
That's no points, Mr. Washington. They'll bring something out of default where you had points. They'll take the points off and give you no points. It'll just be a little extra money at the end when we have to pay is what it'll be.
Okay.
You want to do that today, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of November 24th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Buick vehicle in the area of Gratiot and Hickory Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
And did you also, counsel, will you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis for that speeding, lowering?
Indeed, so
Yeah.
stipulate, Judge.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the reduced charge, failed to display the reduced charge of limited access 1 to 5 speed. Sir, the fine for the speeding ticket is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, or do you need additional time?
Yeah, that'd be enough time.
Okay. So that means that will be due no later than June 28th. Okay, June 28th. On the other ticket, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines because you got a couple of tickets in deep collection with us that you need to take care of, sir, okay?
Okay.
Right, but take care of this ticket by June 28th, the limited access 1 to 5. And then on the remaining ticket, if you have any reinstatement fees, that's all you need to pay on those, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Have a good day, sir.
Sure.
Mr. Wilson, did you send it to the right email address? I still don't have it.
Yes, ma'am. I sent it to the Marlena, capital E dot Taylor at 36districtcourt.org.
Yeah. Put it back in there 2 years again. Let me see.
But I also have it right here if you want me to show it to
Okay,
you.
yeah, just show it to me. Yeah, just show it to me, sir.
Okay.
Turn on your camera, show it to me.
All right. Okay. And there it is right there.
All right. I see it. It has your name on it. Thank you.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
calling the matter of the people versus Christopher Wilson. This is V ticket 1296664. This is one count of harboring a licensed dog. This matter was set for a 90-day delay sentence. He was to have completed the eVay choices class by the time he came back for this review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Clay Miller here on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, can you please state your name for the record?
Christopher Wilson.
Your Honor, we're here for a review. It looks like my client's in compliance with the terms of his delayed sentence. I would request dismissal at this time.
All right, at this time, the court is going to grant that request. I will dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you are all set in this particular matter. Thank you so much for logging on and taking care of that, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much as well.
You're very welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. All right. Miss Green off today, I'm imagining. All right. D'Angela Williams.
Your Honor, I haven't had the chance to speak with Ms. Williams. She got in a
I know
little
you
late.
haven't, because they
Okay.
signed in late. So I know you haven't talked to them. I'm gonna put you into a breakout room with them right now. Ms.
Thank you.
Williams, you're welcome. Breakout room number 2, counsel.
Got it.
I know you're still here, Miss Other Williams on my screen. Just stay here. We're just trying to verify something right quick, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Williams, do you have a copy of the community service or no?
I don't have a copy. Miss Joanne Carter, she said yesterday, she called me and said that she sent everything over to the court.
Okay, just give us 1 second, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I think she was having trouble and accidentally left. Uh, but she did show me insurance before that, so if she comes back in, we can probably wrap it up quick. There she is.
Fantastic, thank you.
Right, okay, thank you so much.
You can ask her before I start.
Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to contact the one who sent it over?
I should be able to.
Judge?
I should be able to contact her. Give me a minute.
Because they don't have it in probation yet.
Okay, let me try to contact her.
Okay, thank you.
Is there a specific email that I need her to send it to?
Well, you can just have her send it to the judge. I'm gonna give you the judge's email address, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, it's capital M,
M.
yeah, lowercase AR,
Mhm.
LENA,
MARLEN.
A, yes, Marlena, capital E, dot Taylor, TAYLOR,
Is it all lowercase?
the T is capital,
Okay.
at 36th districtcourt.org.
And that's all one word.
Yes.
Okay.
Between
Marlena E. dot Taylor at 36.
No, it's just one E. It's just one E.
Oh, okay. Marlena E. dot Taylor at 36districtcourt.org. Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
D'Angela Williams,
Yes.
please turn your camera back on. Oh,
I gotta be there.
oh, 1 second. Oh, okay, what kind of case is this year? Attorney Miller, she has 3 other pretrials before me as well on August 28th.
Yep, I saw those too. The thing is, she's got insurance on this one. I don't, and it also she paid on a ticket associated with this for due care and due caution. I didn't know if we would just dismiss this one and have her show back up, or if you want to set this for August with those.
Yeah, that's what you're saying. So she got points on her license. Care caution.
Diddy was friends with one.
Hello?
One moment, Miss Williams.
I can hear you signed in late and now you're gonna rush me?
No, I just didn't know if my phone was working or if anybody wasn't saying anything. I wasn't rushing.
I was waiting to get your file because you know what happens? We put your file in a different pile when you don't show up on time. So now we had to get your file out the thing and figure it all out.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know.
Here we go. Let me see what she got going on. Today was the insurance. You said you saw the insurance.
Yeah, she's
With
got
the driver's license. And then you say she paid this expired place and failed to use due care caution on this no insurance ticket.
Yeah, she paid on that.
Is your license valid now, ma'am, or no?
Yes.
Can you run her license? All right. If her license is valid, we'll take care of everything today. Attorney Miller, please and thank you.
Sure. You mean even the August ones?
Yep. Because her August
Okay.
case, she took care of, you said you saw her insurance. Your plate's valid now too, ma'am?
Yep.
If she has it all together, I don't mind taking care of it so she doesn't have to come back.
I haven't looked at the plates, the registration yet.
You just go to the, do you have that Michigan registration? You in your car? Do you have it, ma'am? Ms. Williams?
Can you show us that one to make sure?
Her license is valid now, so I had that.
I don't know how to change this camera around.
Yeah.
It won't let me. But here it
It
is.
won't let you do the little flip? Okay.
There you go.
Oh,
Other way.
no, don't turn
down.
upside down. No.
Turn the other way.
You had to
There
wait.
we
you
go.
Oh,
Expired.
2025. The Honda, and that's the car on the ticket is the Honda, so it's 2025. I'm gonna call her cases then and make the appropriate motion, okay, Attorney Miller?
Got it.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus D'Angela Williams. This is ticket number SP 1504837. The one on the docket today is that ticket is count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. She also has some additional hearings coming up in my courtroom in August. That's ticket SP 1582978, one count expired plates. Ticket number SP 1582934, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Clay Miller here on behalf of Miss Williams. Miss Williams, can you please state your name for the record for us?
D'Angela Williams.
Thank you. Your Honor, we're here for arraignment on the bench warrant. I'd waive formal reading, stand mute, enter plea of not guilty regarding the arraignment.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How do you wish to proceed today, counsel?
Your Honor, my client has verified with me valid insurance and registration, and we verified her license is valid. So I'd make a motion to dismiss for her compliance.
All right, at this time, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these cases without prejudice for her compliance. Miss Williams, now you had to fight to get back your license. Don't lose it.
It feels so weird. Thank you.
I know, but I see, because when we pull the record, I can see everything. And I see that you had it suspended for a little bit of time. Keep your stuff in order so that you can be able to have everything that you need all the time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. If there's nothing further, she also, like you said, paid 2 of those civil infractions. So next time, come to court before you pay stuff so that you can make sure that you take care of everything. We may be able to reduce some of the points or something, at least we can try, okay? Next time, but you pay them so they closed out, okay?
All right.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. You too. All right. Yeah, sorry, Attorney Miller. If I can, I just try and handle a lot of stuff so that way they don't have to come back.
Judge, I love it that way. I think that's a great way to so don't apologize to me. I think it's awesome.
Yeah, we just gotta try and be efficient. Good morning. How you doing?
I didn't know you talked to my cousin.
That's your cousin? Listen. I need you to have them resend this information. I would like to just.
Judge, do you mind if I run to the restroom? Are we still waiting for something?
That's fine. You can run to the restroom. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome, of course.
It sounds like Ms. Williams spoke to the facility. They'll be sending it over in 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know if we knew that, but
Fantastic. Thank you.
yep.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, this is the city prosecutor. I just wanted to get update. Who do we have left?
We just have one more person left, and it's just a review for me. So you're all set for today.
Okay, I was going to bring down a pamphlet document that for your review on business licenses.
Okay. Thank you
city.
very much. I appreciate that.
Okay.
All right.
I'm back.
Thank you.
Okay.
They said that they sent the email over already to the Marlene Taylor email address.
I hope they got the right email address. Let me see.
So do I. Gabby, can you sit down for a second? Are you okay? Yeah. Okay, can you sit down for a minute, please? Thank you.
Hello. I don't. I'm not seeing it. Yes, it's fine. Good. You all right? All right.
Oh, they still didn't send it?
No, I don't.
God.
What's the person's name and where are they at?
St. Patrick's Community Center, Senior Center.
Where's this located?
Miss in Detroit on Parsons.
Okay, and who was the person that you spoke to there?
It's supposed to be Miss Joanne Carter, but she wasn't available, so they directed me to someone else that could have sent the email. They didn't give me.
Okay. All right. You ready, Attorney Miller?
Did you want me to call them back?
It's okay, Miss Williams. Just turn on your camera. I can hear you good now.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. It's I don't know what's going on over there.
I know sometimes it'll be a little dicey.
But I
not
can
calling
call back.
I know. Not calling the matter of the people. But pronounce your first name for me.
Natashiana.
Okay. Not calling the matter of the people versus Natashiana Williams. This is you ticket 640-72622. This is one count. Appears semi-new. This was under a delayed 6-month sentence. She was to have done 25 hours of community service. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Natashiana Williams.
All right. And Ms. Williams is back here today because she was to have completed the community service. Seems like we're not getting the communication, but she was able to tell me the location and place of the community service that she did, which was St. Patrick's Senior Citizen, which is located at 58 Parsons in the city of Detroit. I'm sure I'm going to get the email right after Ms. Williams. And so I'm going to go out on faith and hope right now, and I'm going to dismiss this matter for your compliance, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you very much, okay?
Thank you. You have a blessed day.
So thank you so much.